Is it time to buy or sell Genprex stock? In this video, we will delve into Genprex. Our initial report was released on our website on Tuesday, the 22nd of October, 2024, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any critical updates that may affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 18th of October, 2024, our system has categorized Genprex as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. During this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 769.25% since we initially recommended purchasing Genprex 3 days ago. This results in an average return of 256.42% per day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Considering the recent developments, we are unable to forecast the stock's next direction, as it could potentially move in either direction. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 24.17% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 98.32% to negative 24.17%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 0.786% over the next 12 months, with a potential return varying between negative 93.78% and 89.15%. This translates to a price range between 22.3 cents and $6.79 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Genprex includes the headline: significant movements in Genprex Inc. stock price on Tuesday, fluctuating 63.37% between high and low. The Genprex Inc. stock price surged 137.75% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 22nd of October, 2024, rising from $1.51 to $3.59. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be intriguing to see whether it can maintain this upward momentum or take a brief pause in the coming days. On the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 63.37%, with a low of $2.43 and a high of $3.97. Throughout this period, the price has shown variability, and there has been a remarkable 926.3% gain over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, volume decreased on the last day by 90 million shares, with a total of 186 million shares exchanged for approximately $666,390,000. It is important to consider that declining volume during price increases may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $7.99, while the lowest price was 18.3 cents. Currently, the price is 55.7%, or $4.40, below the 52-week high, and 81.54%, or $15.86, below the all-time high recorded on the 30th of April, 2018, when the price peaked at $19.45. Genprex Incorporated, trading under the ticker GNPX, is currently in an encouraging phase of its clinical development journey. On the 15th day of October, 2024, the company revealed that its Safety Review Committee has authorized the transition to the highest dose group in the Phase 1 portion of the ACCLAIM-3 clinical trial for Recorsa gene therapy. in combination with Tecentriq, aimed at treating extensive-stage small cell lung cancer. This crucial approval indicates a promising safety profile for the therapy, which could bolster investor confidence in the stock. In addition, forthcoming presentations at major conferences, including the EORTC NCI AACR Symposium, will showcase positive preclinical data regarding Recorce's effectiveness against resistant cancers such as mesothelioma and glioblastoma. These findings are likely to generate increased institutional interest and elevate expectations surrounding clinical outcomes, potentially enhancing the stock price in the short term. The company has also outlined plans to sharpen its focus by creating a separate subsidiary dedicated to diabetes therapies, thus streamlining its oncology programs. This strategic realignment reflects a disciplined approach to maximizing value from its potent gene therapy assets, which could further positively influence investor sentiment. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 13th of August, 2024, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned GNPX a buy rating accompanied by a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Genprex stock a general sell rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a buy, while the price-to-book ratio is also rated as buy. In terms of return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Genprex. Genprex Inc. stock exhibits buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is anticipated at levels of 98 cents and 50.9 cents. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 2nd of October, 2024, and since then, the stock has experienced an impressive rise of 987.88%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is determined. Moreover, there is a buy signal emerging from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. It is noteworthy that volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 15 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 58 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 3 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 118 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop-loss for Genprex. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume beneath today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock could experience significant declines in the upcoming days. This stock is likely to exhibit considerable movement throughout the day, exhibiting high volatility. With a broad prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.54 between its highest and lowest points, which equates to 63.37%. Additionally, for the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 83.32%. Before we dive into the potential advantageous trading levels for Genprex, let's take a moment to review some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This vital metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. It is not uncommon for even well-established companies to go through challenging periods, often influenced by factors beyond their control. Yet, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risk. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 12th of November, 2024. Analysts have consensus estimates set at negative $1.13. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly affect stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Genprex. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This indicates that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you may want to consider entering a position and utilizing volume to determine the optimal exit point. Conversely, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below. This suggests that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain circumstances. It is advisable to proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such situations. The combined average rating for Genprex from multiple analyst sources indicates a recommendation to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 18th of February, 2024, when Mark Stanley Berger executed an insider sale of 1,319 shares of common stock. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.50, reflecting a decline of 2.52%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which introduces significant risk. The relative strength index, calculated over 14 days, is an unusually high 99, further elevating that risk. However, there is a buying signal generated from a pivot low identified 14 days ago. Is Genprex stock a good buy? Genprex Inc. presents several positive signals. However, these are not sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is better viewed as a hold or accumulate option while we await further developments. After assessing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 23rd of October, we anticipate that Genprex will open lower, approximately 260 thousandths of a dollar, starting at $3.33. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.